Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how incredibly fast you can create standards aligned slides with Gemini. Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how incredibly fast you can create standards aligned slides for your lessons. When creating slides, I typically just start with the standards. So I'm going to have my Gemini page open, but I'm going to go and copy the standards that I want my slides to align with. And when I'm on the main Gemini page, I'm going to click Tools and then Canvas, and I'm going to ask it to create a presentation teaching and then paste the standards. And from here, I'm just going to go ahead and run it. This does take a few minutes, so I'm going to pause the video while I wait. The few minutes, trust me, are so much less than I would have spent creating these, and I may have to make some edits, but that's okay. I waited for maybe a minute, minute and a half, and these are the slides that were generated. I am going to review these slides. Yes, so far, overall, I'm liking what I'm seeing here. It's looking like it pulled figures from like an actual textbook, which is what I would do, but it would take me so much longer. Okay, this is incredible. The last step here is just to export it to your Google Drive. 1 minute later, my slides are ready. And I can go through here and make the edits that I want to edit, and I can start using them with my class. I hope this video will save you some time. If you're finding some AI tools that are going to have a big impact on your work, can you share it in the comments? I'd love to investigate those as well.